The weather's looking good.
Looking good other places besides Fresno. Yosemite National Park, for instance, I was talking to a couple people up there today, and the snow was on Half Dome and El Capitan. And
pretty
Winter.
sight.
Beautiful.
Pretty sight.
Gorgeous. This is Sequoia Kings Canyon, where they've had a fair amount of snow, as you can see. 4.5 inches at Lodgepole, 1 inch at Grant Grove. A lot of people traveling through the park today were a little bit surprised by the sudden appearance of winter. Almost all of the snow fell on Saturday night, but a little bit of it came down yesterday. Remember, too, chains are required in the parks at about the 6,000-foot level. Now, the snow has been even heavier farther to the north in Yosemite, which I started to talk about a little bit. Tioga Pass Road has been closed, as has the Glacier Point Road. Those may be reopened again tomorrow. And the Sunnyside Drive-In. It's getting cold at the drive-ins. I wonder how many heaters are mysteriously breaking to the drive-in theater. 67 degrees today in Fresno. That's cold enough. When you consider the normal temperature reading on this date is 82 degrees, and last year we had 79. We weren't even close to that. 68 today in Madera. Mariposa checks in with 59, 66 in Merced, 67 today in Los Banos, and in Visalia. Hanford and Tulare both checked in at 68 degrees. Now let's check those current readings. The temperature is 52, the dew point is 41, and the relative humidity 66%. Winds out of the northwest about 8 miles an hour. The pressure rising at 29.88. Air quality. Great today. All of this activity stirred up the air a little bit and put the air quality into the good category. A few particulates in the air. Nothing to worry about. Good air to breathe today. Around the state of California now. Snowfall still lingering a little bit in some northern areas, but not that much. Along the coast today, a lot of 60s and inland, as you can tell. 67 in Fresno, but 69 in Sacramento and Bakersfield. Palm Springs checked in at 76 degrees this afternoon. And now let's just check in with the satellite picture. What's going on? Well, there's a big low pressure area centered right here. As you can tell, the counterclockwise flow around it like this is affecting a great deal of the western U.S. Numerous travelers advisories, winter storm watches on for Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. Some clearing further to the west, a little bit further away from the center of that low. You can see it extends well up into Canada even. Let's check now the rest of the nation. Okay, I talked about the travelers advisories and winter storm warnings. There are flash flood watches out for many areas of Texas tonight, where heavy rains are continuing to dump on areas that are already saturated. The ground is wet, can't take any more. In northwestern Texas today at Breckenridge, they had about 3.5 inches of rain within 1 hour. So that's why the flash flood watches are on for Texas. Other parts of the country have been a little more fortunate. San Francisco now for the day tomorrow, 48 tonight, but tomorrow 64. And sunny skies for the afternoon hours up there. In Los Angeles, waking up tomorrow to partly cloudy skies after an overnight low tonight of 58, 72 for the high tomorrow. And central coast areas will be mostly sunny. A good day over there. 64 at Monterey, 68 at Santa Maria, San Luis. The mountains have had some snow now. Things look beautiful up there. And there could be some scattered showers. Snowfall down to about 6,000 feet. Temperatures cool. Huntington Lake at about 36 degrees. And 55 there at Yosemite Valley. Partly cloudy for Fresno tomorrow. We could get down to 40 degrees tonight. It was 43 last night. Tomorrow about 68. The winds will be light. We're going to warm up some, folks, but not too much. 71 on Wednesday, all the way up to maybe 76 on Saturday. And to remind you, that is still below normal. Sunrise at 7:03, sunset at 6:27. Snowfall in the mountains. We had some rain here over the weekend. Our first measurable rain, 300 of an inch on Saturday.
You're still trying that trick with the heater and the drive-in, huh?
I gave that one up years ago.
Shame on you. I don't know what's happening here.